Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very important and easy tutorials on how to fix your control key which is not working in your keyboard here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed to the button search bar and type for CMD. Once you've typed it, wait until a batch would appear, which is the command prompt system. Once it's here, please click on Run as Administrator. Now, if your user account control would notify you and would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you would be able to give permission on running the command prompt as administrator. So from here at the command prompt, please click on do a right click here in this area and you scroll down and go with properties. So once you have bring up the command prompt properties, under the edit options, you would be able to see an option here where you can enable control key shortcuts. All you need to do is you need to make sure that this is checked or turned on. Once you have ensured that this is being marked by blue or marked checked, click on OK to proceed. Click on OK once again and close the window and try to check if your control key is now working on. However, if not, then we need to move on to our second method. Our second method would be you need to navigate to the start icon. Please do a right click and then scroll up and click on device manager. Once you have bring up the device manager window, you can expand it first and proceed with the option called keyboard. So click on this forward arrow and go with our keyboard driver. So since we have a problem with our control key which is not functioning or which is not working, please do a right click and go with update driver. In that moment, you would be able to bring up this window where you can update your keyboard driver and it will up you to choose two options which are to search automatically and to search manually for drivers. So please proceed with the search automatically for drivers, and if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then simply click on this backward arrow. And this time on, you need to locate for Browse My Computer for drivers manually. So at the second of that, you can see there, let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. So click on it, and in this way, you would be able to see all of the compatible hardware or driver that is good for your machine or for your PC or laptop. Now you would be able to see all of the models there that is available for you. All you need to do is you need to click on it one by one, click on next and install that in your Windows 11 PC or laptop and try to check if your control key is not working. If not, proceed with the second driver. If there is available driver here, click on next and check if your your control key is not is now working. However, if not, then you need to close the window and navigate the same process, and that is to do a right click here at the start icon and then click on device manager. So this time we need to uninstall the keyboard driver. So please navigate to keyboards, click this forward arrow to expand it, select on the keyboard driver. Please do a right click and go with uninstall device. So you are about to uninstall this device from your system. Click on uninstall to confirm your action. Now I want to assure you that this steps is harmless. It will only uninstall the keyboard for the meantime, because the moment you will restart your computer or the moment you will relaunch your Windows PC or laptop again, it will be automatically installed again here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you need to check if your control key is now working this time. I'm sure it will work this time on, okay? So those are the three simple methods on how to fix your control key which is not functioning or which is not working in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. If those steps help you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.